Hello year one, how are you? Did you have a good weekend? What did you get up to? Did you enjoy the sunshine? Who did you play with? What all those sentences have in common? Can you tell me? Oh yes, they all have this funny symbol at the end of the sentence. What does this symbol mean? What does that mean? If any of you have said question mark, then you are absolutely correct. Well done. This is what a question mark looks like, and that's exactly what we are going to be learning about today. A question mark is written at the end of a sentence that asks a question. So I'm going to give you a challenge, okay? I'm going to give you 20 seconds to see how many questions you can think of. On your marks, get set, go! Well done! I'm hoping you came up with lots of questions just then. So there's something in common with all of those sentences that you just said, and that they are all questions and they all require a question mark at the end of the sentence. So for example, this question, how are you? What is missing? What is missing in this sentence? Is it a full stop? No. What do we need because it's a question? What piece of punctuation? Yes, hopefully you said question mark. So this is how we write that question. So we always start it with a capital letter and then end with a question mark. Let's do another question and see how you get on. The question is, does this cat look silly? So does this cat look silly? What's wrong with that sentence? What have we missed? Shout it out at me. Yes, hopefully you said a question mark. So we need a question mark at the end of the sentence. And yes, it does look silly. To practice this more, I'm going to do a quiz for you. So I want to know whether the following sentences need a full stop or a question mark. So let's do this. For the following questions, you need to shout out full stop girl if we need a full stop at the end of the sentence, or shout out Captain question mark to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Question 1 is, where did Mum put the cheese? Shout out your answers. And the answer is Captain question mark. We need to put a question mark at the end of the sentence because we're asking a question. Question number 2. The sentence is, I can't decide what to wear. Okay, have a little think about it and shout out your answer now. Well done if you said full stop girl, because we need to end this sentence with a full stop. Question 3. Who is going to wash the dishes? Okay, you know the drill. The answer is Captain question mark because they are asking a question. They want to know who is going to do the dishes, so who is going to wash up. And the answer is definitely not Miss Aitken. Question 4. Why does it always rain on Saturday? And the answer is Captain question mark. Well done if you got that answer correct. The very last question is, I like to play football with my friends. So is it a full stop at the end of the sentence or a question mark? All we need is a full stop because we're not asking any questions. Well done year 1, you are absolutely fantastic this lesson. Thank you so much for listening and making it to the end of the video. Your work is on the website to practice this more, and then I can't wait to see what you produce this week. I miss you all and I will see you soon.